Okay, so here we have two goods from Amazon. One is in a box, one is in a packet. I don't know why they decided to split it like that. But what you do need to know is that this order is apparently split in two, not three as I thought. So I'll have the other unboxing added to this video at a later point. And for now, let's just cut into this. Okay, I should have... No, it's not. I'm just gonna probably snip it around here. Okay, that's all I needed to do. Just make a cut there. And it's the Lightning Powerline. Yes, that's the word. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I'm not sure why they couldn't just include it in the box. Actually, I know why, because online they weren't too sure if it was in stock, it seems, so they just decided to toss it along just in case it wouldn't be in stock. I don't know. Maybe they were going to originally split it in three, but then they realized they actually had it in stock. Like, okay, we can include this in this order. Very red. No, this isn't the fiber band one. This is the plastic one. I'm going to try and see if I can bring it closer if you can see the details. You know, it looks kind of grainy. Yeah, there's lots of noise. Should have a second light somewhere. Actually, no. I think that should be okay. I'll test this later, so I'll just put that off to the side. Do I really even need to show you this? I should just throw this to the side. Whatever, I'm going to show you anyway, because why not? Might as well. Should probably just put that off to the side as well. I do have my iPhone lying around here, so I'm going to have to test it soon. But first I need to cut into this. I'm going to make sure that unboxing action is in the frame. Because you know what? When you're watching an unboxing video, you watch people cut into boxes, right? So, okay. Yes, so the purple shirts are not included in this one. For some reason, I don't know why they decided to split it. And here you can see a lot of different languages. You can see English, I see German, French, Spanish, what else? French Canadian, Spanish and Mexico, Arabic. I think that's standard Chinese. What else? Japanese and Portuguese. Did you care about that? No, you absolutely did not. But why was I reading it? Because, well, why not? If you're wearing headphones, well, too bad. Yeah, well, why am I there for nothing? Okay, yes. Alright. Amazon Basic shirts. Oh no, it's Amazon Essentials or whatever. Made in Pakistan. Heko in Pakistan. Fabriqué au Pakistan. And this is what it looks like. Here we have the pockets. Now I am curious. Can I don't know, say fit a smartphone into this? Yeah, let's try that. Let's try this Blackberry and see if it fits. Yes, I know. Okay, you know what? No. Oh! There we go. Look at that, guys. A Blackberry Passport can fit into this pocket. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it is. All right, let's try something more mainstream now. Like, well, actually, okay, the Blackberry Passport fits. Everything else should fit because the Blackberry Passport is one of, if not, the broadest smartphone on the planet. So, yeah. See, this fits with ease. The only thing is that it's longer, so you have to be careful. Now, ideally, you don't want a smartphone in your pocket anyway because you shouldn't have your smartphone so close to your body like that. There's a reason why holsters keep them at least like a good, 3 to 5 centimeters away from you because of this thing called SAR. I forget what it stands for. It has something to do with the amount of radiation they expose. Okay, so that was that. There's another one, and no, I'm not going to show you because it's the exact same thing and there's no point. Instead, I'm going to put these off to the side, to the frame. And now, can toss this box aside. Anybody wondering, wait, another Anker Powerline? Well, wait, what did I do with my other? Okay, here it is. It's over here. This one is micro USB. This one is obviously the Lightning. Okay, that's probably overkill. Probably did not need to do that. Probably could just use my scissors. This one is brilliant and blue. Okay, from what I almost thought this was Type-C for some reason, but it's not. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. So punchy and bright. Okay. It's actually perfect. Now, okay, in regards to these hand warmers, I've seen this one on Amazon for $64, and that's a major, major ripoff, considering that this one cost $35, and when it's on sale, you can get it for $25, but getting it on sale is kind of rare. Now, why do I see the red one here when I ordered black? Because, you know, I already have a red one right here, so I'm really hoping this is the black one. I mean, if it's not, should I return it or should I keep it? I don't even know. First, let's find out what's inside. That's what I need to do. Yeah. Okay, and it's indeed black. I was about to say. I mean, I did contemplate initially getting another red, but I'm like, you know what? I might as well try and get all the colors. Well, except for that golden color, because I've never seen that golden color anywhere. The rose gold you can get on Amazon, but at $64, that's ridiculously steep. Like, come on, really? Why not 34? Why 64? Like, that's nuts. So this is the charger it comes with. I'm not going to be testing that. Or should I actually test it? We'll see. What I wanted to do, I wanted to test these into my phone. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, this is important. BigBlue 2 years warranty card. So if anything goes wrong with it, you can see ibigblue.com/warranty. And there's the NFC thing, so you can scan it to get to the website quicker. Join BigBlue's fan clubs, get free code on Amazon. So you have that. I don't know why, but this feels slightly different in comparison to the red one. I think the red one feels more metallic and more smooth. Or am I just being odd? I don't know. Maybe it's the same material. Okay, let's just see if it works. Let's test the flashlights. Yep, it works. Okay, now let's test the heat. Because after all, this is a hand warmer, so you want to make sure it works. So that's the lowest setting. Now let's kick it into high gear. These have no medium option for some reason. It's only just high or low. Okay. Now, I believe that is everything, so I need to get this organized. Actually, no, you know what? I guess I can untie this to see if this works. Is this from their brand, or is this like anything random? Because in the picture, it did say that this was supposed to have the BigBlue branding on it, but I don't see that. It just looks like any generic micro USB charger. So I'm not sure why that is the way it is. Alright, so now that I have both of these phones in action, let's start testing them. So okay, I'm going to start with this one first, because I've never tested it from the last time. Okay. I don't hear any sounds, and I don't see the icon charging, so that's not good. Is it not compatible or something? Okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I guess that's just that. Let's try the other one. Nothing. Okay, so I guess maybe it's not compatible, or does it need to actually be the original charger? Yeah, maybe I should just try that. Where's my original charger? Do I have it anywhere close by? Oh yes, here it is. Okay, so let's take this out now, and let's use an Apple charger and see if that actually does anything. Or maybe I had to hit the power button. I don't know. We'll see. No, okay, you know what? No, I think it's because I need to hit the power button. So let's try that one more time. Yeah, I know this is looking ridiculous and tedious, but I need to make sure this stuff actually works. Okay, there we go. That's all I had to do. see that? It's working now. I just had to hit power. It doesn't charge automatic. I think it seems like all chargers like that. Because I remember the Tsumi, it was the same thing. Alright, so that's good. Take it out now. I probably don't need to do it in the black one. It's probably going to be the same thing. But I'm going to do it anyway just to make sure it can charge too. What am I hitting? Okay. What is this thing doing? Okay, there we go. Activated the flashlight. Oh yes, I know this is pretty obvious, but I don't think you're allowed to use the heating function and charging function at the same time for super obvious reasons. You run the risk of like starting a fire or an explosion or something. I don't think that these can actually explode unless you just put to extreme pressure or whatever, but still. Alright, so I'm gonna test this actually before I test this passport, I'm gonna do something. I do not need to explain. Anyways, so now I'm gonna test the black one, because you know, Blackberry, black charger. Okay, I do not know what this thing is doing. Is it even charging or what? Did I see the electric light? Oh yes, okay, it's working now. You see that? It's now charging. It just took a little bit of finessing to get it to work. There, now we can see everything nice and crisp. Changes back to 2020. Not gonna bother testing in the black one. Just had to work with it a bit. So okay, that has been it for the. Oh, actually, I cannot say that has been it because I still have to wait for the other shirts to arrive. Then once those arrive, I attach that to this video, and then I can say that has been it. But until then, I'll showcase these goods again. Bring this one back into the frame. Now, this was not a part of this package, but still I'd highlight it because I did use it in this video. It's called ETC Buys, and what's cool about this is that it has the leveling tool here. It can act like a stylus, as you just saw on the Blackberry. And it's a pen. And then if you take this off, look at that. It's a screwdriver. But wait. You can also access another type of bit here. So pretty neat. Alright, that was not neat. Okay, so here it is, the second part of my shipment, so I can now complete this video. So if I should use some scissors, are my scissors close by? Yes, they are. Really, camera? Come on, focus. There we go. And here they are. Oh, beautiful. It's a little darker than what I thought, but still very nice. You know what? Let me try and see if we can get it from this side. Okay, where am I supposed to? Well, I have to be careful. I don't want to be cutting the shirt. You know what? Let's just. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's all I had to do. I don't know here. They're fiddling and doing all this silliness and all that. It was just simply that. Okay. Now let me put something into some light here. I know it's off camera, but now let me put it back into this light because on this desk, it's displaying a different color now. You can't see what I'm talking about because you're not the one recording this. But if you do have this shirt, or if you've at least seen the pictures online, you'll know what I'm talking about. Actually, I'd say the color I saw online was actually pretty accurate. And it says slim, but I haven't exactly tried it, so I wouldn't know if it's slim fit or not. Actually, I know I have a very good impression of it already. I know it's not like skin hugging tight or anything like that, which is a good thing, anyways, because I personally do not like that. Highlight the details. It's the same as the other one. Amazon Essentials, large, slim, made in Pakistan, fabriqué Pakistan, and I see German on this time. So 60% cotton and 40% polyester. And you machine wash it cold, wash it with similar colors, only non-chlorine bleach when needed. Yeah, I don't think I would even bother with bleach at all. Yeah, this does not need bleach. Next, you see spots or whatever, so I would highly advise against that. Now for the second one, I don't need to showcase the details or whatever. I just want to go over it. Alright, so that is it for this video. For all the other products I showed before this one, I'll have the names and links to everything in the description. You can type them into your Amazon locale, see if they're there or not, and happy shopping.